Yes, my people, we don't come again today. The person where they hear his voice, Nana Bekena, this is Voice of Biafra. And today, under special program about this new plan of Biafra activism. Special plan for Biafra, the new phase, the new tactics, the new strategy. Because you know, say, waiting Einstein talk, say, any person where they do the same thing every time, they expect different result. That person is a mad person. And we won't change the style, we won't change the strategy. We know go they do the same thing. For the past 20 years, we they do the same thing. We don't watch how they do inauguration. Buhari second term, they don't start. The governors for our land, they don't start second term. New governor don't come for Imo State. But you get what we go do this time. This time, we no go they do like say, we go just dey the watch. They watch like mumu, they watch like goat. No. This time we go dey active. Because as you dey pay tax, you suppose know where your tax dey go. You suppose to hold the politicians account for our land. Now only during election, Biafra activism dey come dey get to the climax. Now that's why people go dey say, oh, we no go vote. Oh, we go vote. This is a person we go support. Now we have 4 years to plan. That thing wey we think say we go do 3 months to election. 4 months to election, 6 months to election, make we begin now to do am. Make we begin now to do am. Make the thing no take us unaware. Anybody wey dey think say Biafra will just fall from heaven, from the sky, when we no get any serious plan, that person dey lie. So the new strategy be say we go be the opposition in our land. Because our land opposition no dey. PDP, APC, Afghan and the same people. They go jump from this party to this party. They will jump from this party to just to get platform, enter government, go begin to thief our money. So one thing we go to do now be say we go to oppose, we go be the opposition. Any money where government get allocation, we go come here come tell Bona. See what in be Imo State allocation, see what in be Abia State allocation, see what in be Akwa Ibom allocation, see what in be Rivers State allocation. What in they do with them? But you get the part where you go to play now. Government supposed provide good hospital. Government supposed provide good education. Government supposed provide potable water for people. Your own job as you did, now to go see primary school where they are place. Take pictures sent to us. Talk to your teachers. Many teachers no go want talk. They no go want show their faces. No, get their voice. Make them tell us the last time when they pay them. Make them tell us whether they pay them their allowances where they supposed to get. Make we talk to our pensioners. Make we know which of these things we still they owe. Make we begin to expose all of them. Make we any road where they give contract. If they give contract, somebody contract to provide water. Know the name of contract. Make we come here, call the person name, even call the children, provide the person phone number, begin the call. Everybody will call and say, go repair that road. You don't collect money. No position we go do now. And we go prepare ourselves so that we go take over the contract. I don't talk am here, we don't talk am here many times. If we know they ready to take over our land, to be in charge of the politics of our land, say Biafra go remain illusion. You know if it come. Every group of people will get independence, enter politics, get their land. Scottish National Party, now what they do? Sinn Féin for Northern Ireland, them no go parliament, but they go contest election so that they no go create vacuum, make their enemy come take their position. We go prepare ourselves very well now. They solid, they together, unite well so that we go get ourselves together. Because as we look for Biafra, our people supposed to live good lives. Our people supposed to get good hospitals, good schools, good roads. Maternity is where they our land. Our women where they pregnant supposed to get where they go for antenatal, where they go to maternity. So what your job be? The video, if na video do, if na picture do, send that to us. Even if you know if you send that to us, post them for your Facebook page, tag us. We go put them for our YouTube, expose that government, expose that. This time no go be the time where we go fold our hands. They look like goats. I don't talk to many Biafrans where they call. And none of them, I dey ashamed to talk this thing. None of the pro-Biafran wey call me, when they call me from other part of the world, they discuss about Biafra. We don't answer the question when I ask them, who be your councillor? They don't know. Who be your local government chairman? They don't know. Then how are we going to make our land better? Because that place where they look, that council, ward, and local government chairman, now the most important place for government. No be for our budget, no fast rock. Politics is local. If anti-Biafrans are councillors and local government chairman, my brother Biafra no fit come. Now there our eyes go there. Now our states, people we go represent us for state assemblies, now there our eyes go there. So that we go hold them. Wetin we go to do now, the politics of we no go agree. Politics of we no go agree. That thing wey don dey happen since 1999. See, you know days make we dey hold boy say na boy. No be our biggest problem. Our biggest problem na our state governors. Those guys wey dey for Moai, wey dey for Owerri, those guys wey dey for Port Harcourt, those guys wey dey for Yenagoa, those guys wey dey for all these government houses, they pack money, they thief money, they use and they buy properties all over the world. They are our biggest enemies. So our job today na to dey question them. Not to fight them, not to expose them. Social media, they're powerful. Any commissioners, all of them, they expose them. Anybody where they give content, you go bring them out, send them to us. We go do program. I beg, we need good life. We need better schools. We need better hospitals. We need now people. Are we allergic to good lives? Are we? Make we change the strategy. Anybody wey go come out again, come they tell us boycott the election, na slap we will give that person. Na dirty slap we will give that person. Make anybody no try that nonsense again. We go begin now, they plan ourselves. People wey fit agree together because everybody no fit agree. Make we begin to unite. All these young men, handsome, intelligent, beautiful, intelligent women wey we dey see for pro-Biafran, for all these pro-Biafran groups, we prepare all of them to be councillors, local government chairman, House of Assembly members. Train them, make all of us come together to make sure, see, this thing wey don happen to us for over 20 years no go happen again. Ozo emena. Ozo emena, my brothers and sisters. Ozo emena. Second term don't start. Make we not make mistake where we make before. Make we begin now to plan towards election. Make we be the opposition in our land. Now here where I go stop today, my brothers and sisters, I beg no to provoke. No to provoke because you feel no go like what now they talk. But go think about that. Make we start a new phase of this agitation. Thank you, my people. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.
Ebeka unusi Biafra, Ebeka unusi Biafra, Gamavapu Biafra, Gawe bozo gabi, Gamavapu Biafra, Gawe bozo gabi, Biafra gadi.